Speaking as a character witness, his wife of 27 years says she was standing by him after he'd been unfaithful and claimed he was not capable of rape. Prosecution lawyer Robert Fishel QC put it to Mr. Riddell that he'd taken advantage of a very drunk woman. He denied this, saying she was very coherent when they'd had sex, likening their behaviour to irresponsible 20-year-olds. Mr. Riddell had previously said she was the driving force behind the vigorous sex, which left her with bruises in multiple places on her body. However, the court heard today that no injuries were found on him. Mr. Riddell said after he'd left her in a state of undress, he jumped over a fence so as not to be seen by early risers in Catalan Bay, something the prosecution pointed out he'd not mentioned in earlier interviews. Answering further questions from the prosecution, the defendant said his main concern after the night in question was that he may have caught a sexually transmitted disease. However, Mr. Fishel queried why, if he was so concerned, had he not been to the doctor to get tested in the days that followed. Mr. Riddell responded that it would have been pointless as they wouldn't be accurate so soon after. The case continues.